awake. Guards sure worked you over. What brings you into the cold grip of the Empire, anyway? I know you're not one of the rebels.
We're all brothers and sisters in binds now, thief. I told those Imperial soldiers you weren't with us, but they just grabbed you, like that thief over there.
Wait, who's that gagged fellow in the cart? He looks familiar.
Watch your tongue. You're speaking to Ulfric Stormcloak, the true High King.
That's the man who used the voice to murder High King Torrig, the leader of the rebellion? Hey, you! Ulfric! You traitor! You're the reason we're here!
Shut up back there.
At least Sovngarde will be waiting for us. Our ancestors. Feasting. Mead.
Gods, what I wouldn't give for some mead right now.
What hold are you from, horse thief? Whiterun? The Reach? Offengar?
Why do you care?
Because there won't be any holds once the Empire has its way. No Jarls to rule over them. Just Legion soldiers and martial law. Every man, woman, and child in Skyrim is part of this rebellion, horse thief. Everyone has to fight for the freedom of the Nine Holds. You stand with us, or you stand against us.
Freedom of the Nine Holds? I don't remember the Empire sweeping up every cut person in Skyrim before you bastards started butchering their soldiers.
General Tullius, sir. The headsman is waiting.
Good. Let's get this over with.
Look at him. General Tullius, the military governor. And it looks like the Dalmor are with him. Damn elves. I bet they had something to do with this.
I'm sorry, that's just not possible. It would cause far too many problems.
You're making a terrible mistake. Your Emperor will hear of this. By the terms of the White Gold Concordat, I operate with...
Dalmor, bitch. This is Helgen. I used to be sweet on a girl from here. Wonder if Elod is still making that mead with juniper berries mixed in. Funny. When I was a boy, Imperial walls and towers used to make me feel so safe.
Who are they, Daddy? Where are they going?
We need to go inside.
Why? I want to watch the soldiers.
Inside the house. Now.
Yes, Papa.
Get these prisoners out of the carts! Move it!
Why are we stopping?
Why do you think? End of the line. Let's go. Shouldn't keep the gods waiting for us.
No, wait, we're not rebels. You gotta tell them we weren't with you. This is a mistake.
Face your death with some courage, thief.
Shut up! Out of the cart, now! Step towards the block when we call your name. Don't even think about running!
Empire loves their damn lists.
Ulfric Stormcloak, Jarl of Windhelm, guilty of murder, high treason, and sentenced to death.
It has been an honor, Jarl Ulfric.
Next in line. Name?
Ralof, proud son of Skyrim.
Stormcloak, sentenced to death. Next in line. Name? Name?
Lokir, and I'm not a Stormcloak.
It says right here you are. Sorry.
No, please, all I did was steal a horse. I'm not a rebel. You can't...
Anyone else feel like running?
Next in line. Name? You're from one of the strongholds, Orc. How did you end up here? Captain, what should we do? He's not on the list.
Forget the list. He goes to the block.
By your orders, Captain. I'm sorry. We'll make sure your remains are returned to Orsinium. Follow the captain, prisoner.
Ulfric Stormcloak. Some here in Helgen call you a hero, but a hero doesn't use a power like the voice to murder his king and usurp his throne. You started this war, plunged Skyrim into chaos, and now the Empire is going to put you down and restore the peace.
What was that?
It's nothing. Carry on.
Yes, General Tullius. Give them their last rites.
As we commend your souls to Aetherius, blessings of the 8 divines upon you, for you are the salt and earth.
For the love of Talos, shut up and let's get this over with.
As you wish.
Come on! I haven't got all morning. My ancestors are smiling at me, Imperials. Can you say the same?
You Imperial bastards!
Justice!
Death to the Stormcloaks!
As fearless in death as he was in life.
Next, the Orc.
There he is again. Did you not hear that?
I said, next prisoner.
To the block, prisoner. Nice and easy. I'm sorry you got caught up in this mess.
It's in the clouds!
What's happening?
Sentries. What do you see?
What in oblivion is that? Dragon! It's a dragon! God help us! It's the end times! The end times of God!
Divine help us!
Don't just stand there! Guards, get the townspeople to safety!
Legends don't burn out.
Who's this? One of the other prisoners. The Empire thought he was with us.
Well, friend, I'd ask you to join the rebellion, but I think we're all a bit busy staying alive.